These are our product, and we sell clothes, as you can see, and we sell cups, books, and many more. We will offer you a good service and good transactions. So the fabric of our clothes are very firm and tough. Okay? As you can see, the design is very cool. Okay? And guess what? It's only 199 pesos. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit us in SM Mega Mall, Building A, 3rd floor.